Okay.
Okay, so we found this bird. He found the bird. Got bit by a cat, and he rescued him. And then we, patch him up, make sure he's fine, helping him try to take out the worm eggs, and just simply take care of him. So this is the first day. Now we're giving him a bath, just for safety, I guess. And
no, actually, what we're doing, we're trying to get rid of all the fly eggs, because when we found him, his feathers was fully packed with fly eggs. And what happens is that these eggs will, any day now, they will be hatching the eggs, and then you have worms coming out. And when the worms get into action, they start eating the bird. So we don't want that, so we try to get rid of all the eggs first. That's why we're bathing him. Alright, Yuya, you're the VJ again.
So, yeah, we got a ton of worms egg before, and well, we didn't quite finish yet, but it's look like it's not much anymore. And here's the leftover, you can see under here. Right,
it's full of eggs.
Yeah. So we're hoping after this bath he will be better, and tomorrow we hope he start eating, or hopefully get well or better. So that's it for now.
Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe.
Never mind that.